This is one of the benefits of having a deaf cat. Yes, it is. This cat used to be so skittish that he'd run from everything. Now that he can't hear, he's loving getting vacuumed. Just have to be careful that you don't get his eyes or ears or anything that's obviously not going to be a good thing. Yeah. Can't hear a thing. Stone cold deaf. Shed's terrible. This is Odin. Odin is almost 20. He was thrown away in the worst winter in upstate New York back in the early 90s after he outgrew being a cute kitten Christmas present. Our rescue got him in February. Yeah, we did, didn't we, sweetie? And he's been across the country with us, now living his retirement out in California. Hi, Odin. That's it. Aw, he wants some more. All right.